Hi guys, welcome on our channel. Today main topic AC system in this car. We have a Renault Laguna 3rd generation. The owner of this car complained that the AC system is not working at all. So what we will do, first of all, we will check the temperature inside the car, and after that we will look under the hood and we will try to find the problem. Okay guys, before we will start procedure of repair, we will check how AC system is working. Is it working okay or no? Because as I mentioned that the owner of the car complained that the AC system is not working well. But before we will start, we should check it. So for that case, I turn it on the engine. AC is ready for a control, so we have the lowest temperature as is possible here. Blower is on the highest speed, and now I will add the thermometer to check the temperature from the vent channels. The temperature outside is around 20 degrees, so we should receive the proper performance of AC system. In that case, I see that the temperature is not changing on the thermometer. We have around 90 degrees, so in that case, most probably the owner of the car had right. So in that case, AC system is not working at all. So now we will look under the hood and we will try to find the problem. As you saw, we didn't have any changes of the temperature, so we can expect that the AC system is broken. What we will do now, we will look what is going on with the compressor, and as you can see here, now compressor is not turned on, so we see that something is wrong with AC system. And we can have a few reasons. We can have a broken compressor, we can have a broken clutch, we can have a broken sensor, or even we don't have the refrigerant in the AC system. What we will do now, we will connect the manometers and we will check the pressure what is in this AC system. As I already mentioned that we can have a few reasons that, why compressor is not working. One of the reasons can be the lack of refrigerant inside the AC system. And in that case, to check it, we connect the manometers, and now we are checking the pressure which is inside the system. And as you can see, on the low and high sides we have 0 bars. So in that case we can expect that we have a leak in the AC system, and to check it we will use the hydrogen and dedicated detector to find the leak. Hydrogen already added to the system, as you see on the both sides, on the high side and the low side. We added the pressure around 6 bars. It is recommended pressure for this kind of gases. Now we will observe the pressure on the manometer. After that, we will disconnect manometer for 1, maybe 2 hours, and then we will connect one more time manometer and we will check the pressure which is on the system. If the pressure will be lower, it will be the first signal for us that we have a leak. And then we will use the leak detector to find the place where we have this mentioned leak. So we waited a few minutes, still we have 6 bars in the AC system. So now what I did, I disconnected the couplings, and now we will wait 2 hours, because sometimes you can have a broken valve in the service port, and in that case you will not find the leak. So now we will wait, as I mentioned, 2 hours, and then we will connect manometers and we will check the pressure. If the pressure will be lower, we can expect the leak in the AC system, and then we will try to find the place where we have this leak. We waited 2 hours, now we have 4 bars in the AC system, so it is the first signal for us that most probably we have a leak. Now I will use leak detector to find the place where the leak is located. check all connections and the pipes which we have on the top without any results. Now we will check the condenser because it is very popular place where we can find the leak, and most probably we will find something. Have a look. We have a pretty big leak on the condenser. So now we will take the front bumper and we will try to take out the condenser and exchange it. So as you can see, we took out the front bumper and the cover, which was here, and now we have a better access to the condenser and we can find the leak which you saw on the previous shot. As you can see, old condenser was in the bad shape. It was contaminated, lack of fins, and of course we cannot forget about the leak. So it was a good time to exchange the condenser. Luckily, NRF has in the offer dedicated condenser for this car. So now we will start with the assembling procedure. Condenser on his place, everything fitted well, so now I added the hydrogen to check the leaks. If everything will be okay, I will add front bumper and other covers, then I will connect AC service station and we will check AC. So we added hydrogen to the system, and after 2 hours still we had the same pressure. So it is the signal for us that most probably we don't have any leaks in the AC system. Now, as you can see, we are vacuumizing AC. After that we will check the performance of AC. I hope everything will work well. Fingers crossed. AC service station already finished the procedure. Now time to check the performance of AC system. So as you can see, problem is solved. We have around 6 degrees from vent channels, so it is information for us that the AC system is working with the great performance. Now we need to start with new cases, so watch us.